Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to use the rotation tool in Snapseed. But first, I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. How to make money online. So, let's jump into it. First, we are going to open the application. After that, we need to select our image, so we have to click on the plus icon. After that, we are going to select our preferred image. Then we are going to click on Tools at the bottom of our screen. After that, Rotate. And here it is. We can rotate the image in freeform, which will do it like this. We can rotate it to left and right. But if we wanted to rotate it to landscape, we can rotate it as well to 90 degrees. Or if we want to mirror our image, we're going to click on the flip button, so it will flip our image. I'm going to rotate our image like so. And after that, if we are done, we're going to click on the check mark on the bottom right of the screen. And then if we want to save our image, we're going to click on export. We're going to have 4 options: share, which we are going to share it to our friends on our preferred platform. After that, save, which will save the image to our phone. Export, which is kind of the same as save. And export as, it's going to save it to our preferred folder. We're going to click on save. And then we are going to view it. We're going to select gallery. And here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.